What's up, guys? Oh my gosh, it feels like I haven't talked in front of a camera in so long. It feels like I've been behind the camera for like my whole entire life. But what's up, guys? I don't even know like how to like speak. Like, I'm just so overwhelmed. But I'm so happy to be back in front of the camera talking to you guys. But today isn't gonna be like talky. As you can see by the title, today is a video, an unboxing video. And let me be clear that this is the first ever Dallas J press on nails unboxing video. There'll be multiple in the future because my good sis is really pivoting in her business. But let me just, before we get all into that, make sure you check out MerrimackStudios.com. This video is sponsored by Merrimack Studios, a video production company based in St. Louis, Missouri that helps turn your vision into value. But let's get into the unboxing. Basically, today's video, oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. Okay, so DallasJNails. Dallas is a woman that does nails in Miami, but she's from St. Louis. Well, I don't know if she was born in St. Louis. I don't even know her like that. But we went to the same high school. That's so crazy, right? But it's just so funny because like the people that be like, oh, I went to high school with Beyonce. Like, okay. What are you doing though? You went to high school with Beyonce. Beyonce did that. What are you doing? No, that's not the point. The point is that good energy, you know, was around me. Like that inspiration that you can really go out and do whatever you want. Like that's what makes me so happy that I can say, dang sis, we went to the same high school. She does nails in Miami. I haven't made my way down there yet, but with COVID-19, she was able to pivot in her business and make press-ons for young women and men like you and myself who want our nails done, but we haven't booked a flight to Miami quite yet. During this process, she was able to, one, still get a bag, but reach so many more people than just her area. Like that's really what it's all about, is reaching as many people as you can. So thank you, Dallas, for the press-ons, period. 11 a.m. I was on her site like refresh. Then it popped up and I was like, oh my God, I don't know which type of nails I should get, But it was limited because of like sizes, which is good because everybody gets a chance to, like if it was all like a one size fit all, one person could have bought all of them. So basically, let's just get into this unboxing. I'm super happy. I'm about to put these nails on, and you already know what nails do to your girls. Here we go. Literally, this is a real deal unboxing. Like, I just am now opening it. It says thank you. We have us a DallasJNails press-on nail guide. Oh my gosh, so it comes in this cute little packaging. Oh my gosh. These are so beautiful. Check me out. So freaking cute. I got a size small. Of course, I still want to go to Miami one day and get my nails done by her, but if I was her, baby, I'm doing press-ons. And what's so crazy is that she literally sold out in like 8 minutes. Like 8 minutes. I wasn't the only girl that was like refresh. There were millions, probably millions, but a lot of girls on her website waiting to purchase these nails. And I got me a pair. Shout out to you, Dallas baby. Chocolate Queen, natural goals, just Queen, period. Queen D, okay, Queen D. Yes, I'm gonna have Miss Young B put my nails on. She's in this video.
Hi. Thank you.
Check out Young B. She's also in this video because that's my best friend. Oh my God, y'all, these about to be so fire. Give me like 10 minutes. I'm finna go put these on right now. I'm already turning into a city girl right now, period. Just looking at them. City girl's already coming out. Okay, here we go. I'll be right back. Yes, get you somebody that cares about you. Get your cuticles right, honey. honey, period. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. For real. For real. Don't play with me. This is what my final product looks like. I love the plaid. Definitely like bedazzles. Of course I love the boy bye. The phone call. Look at the Powerpuff Girl. I love this bedazzle. Whatever. All you do is lie to me. Plaid. Sparkles. Look. Everything you hold just looks so amazing. Like, all right, now I'm about to just hold some things. I think my water tastes better just because the way my hands look. I can really show some stuff. Look at the way the scissors look. Look at how I look putting my lip gloss on now. Hold on. Period. Okay, cause period. Let me take a sip of my water, my wine glass, honey. Announcements. Nobody is messing with DallasJNails. Quit playing with her. I'm saying for real, like, just stop playing with her. Yes, this was just a quick unboxing video. I'm so happy with my nails. They turned out so great. It didn't take long to put on, very easy. I'm about to go somewhere with these nails, honey. And so, as soon as somebody try to talk to me, boy, bye. What am I telling them? Boy, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I miss you guys. Make sure you check out MiramaxStudios.com. Tell your friends, your family, and your cousins. And until next time, it's about health. It's about lifestyle. It's about focus. It's Timara.